Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a special copyright symbol in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document. Now you can see here are my document in this text box. Now firstly, select the text box and double click on the text box, then go to the type menu and go to the insert special character, the type tool, and go to the insert special character, go to the symbol and you can see here are copyright symbol, then click this. Now zoom it. This is a copyright symbol. Now copyright symbol insert here. Now firstly select, click here and again go to the type menu and go to the insert special character, go to the symbol and click copyright symbol. Now here are insert here. Now you can see insert a special copyright symbol in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.